This is my modified trophy line Novix Mini Stick with the Amsteel rope mod on it. This is how I attach it to the tree. Around the tree, and I come under the Versa button and up and behind that Amsteel, so I can create a Chinese finger trap right there. Pop that in there, and then I kind of do it again on the other side. I go in behind that rope again, pop it in that side, and I come back around and put 2 half hitches in just loosely. They don't usually do really anything. Those Chinese finger traps pretty much hold the stick. Then pull the bottom out, set that stick, and then this still stays loose over here. These really aren't doing anything. Those half hitches aren't really doing anything. They're totally loose. Everything is bound up in there in those Chinese finger traps. And that's pretty much, and then I'll tuck this in behind there. Sometimes I'll wrap it around and keep this piece of shot cord on there. I can tighten it up like that, and then I got nothing blowing around in the breeze for any deer to see. And then as far as taking them off, it's just the reverse. It's nice and quiet, no buckle. These tend to be loose. There haven't been a problem. Been easy to get off so far. Go around, pop it up, take that pressure off. And then I wind them up. I go around that button one time. And take that shot cord and go back on there. And that's it.